Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to join the most talked of the town, Robinhood Airdrop, whose testnet is just live. The project has raised $5.77 billion in funding, which is a very impressive amount. If we talk about its investors, there are many strong investors involved, including well-known venture funds, along with a long list of Tier 2, Tier 3 and Tier 4 investors. Overall, the backing and funding behind Robinhood are quite strong. So Robinhood is a zero-fee trading app for stocks and crypto like Binance or Coinbase for crypto, which is very popular in the United States. So if you want more information, then you can visit their website. I'll show you all the steps to participate in this testnet. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. So I'll provide all the links in one Telegram post in the video description. So first you need to visit this link. So you need to claim testnet faucet tokens. First you need to connect your wallet. So click on connect wallet. Then choose your wallet. I'd recommend using MetaMask. Then click on connect. And done. Now your wallet address will be shown here and you need to click on send tokens. Then it will verify, so wait a bit, then click on claim tokens. Sometimes you might see an error here. In that case, simply click send tokens again and then click claim tokens again. Since many people are trying the Robinhood testnet right now, errors may appear, so keep trying until you receive faucet tokens. So if you get tokens, then you'll see this message and you are ready to go for the next task. After receiving faucet tokens, you'll find the second link on our Telegram. When you scroll down there, you'll see multiple wallet options. So again, choose the same MetaMask wallet, then connect. And done. So now Robinhood chain is now added to my MetaMask. Next, you'll need Sepolia testnet tokens. For that, there are two links, one for Chainlink and another for Alchemy, both provided on our Telegram. From there, you can claim Sepolia faucet tokens. Since I already have Sepolia ETH, I'm not claiming again, but both links will be provided for your convenience. If you also want to know how to get Sepolia tokens for free, then go to our channel and search Sepolia, and you'll find this video where I show all the free methods, so make sure to check it. Next, you need to visit this site whose link is also in that Telegram post. So here again, you need to connect your wallet first. So select MetaMask. Then click on connect and done. So I already have Sepolia faucet in my account, so you need this too for testnet. Now here select your amount for testing. For example, I'll select 0.01, then check the mark on terms and then click on move funds to Robinhood chain. Then confirm the request and again confirm. Now the transaction shows as pending and will soon complete successfully. You need to repeat this transaction over time, but don't do many transactions in a single day. Instead, perform them gradually and repeatedly. Now you'll see the next link for on-chain GM. Open that link and again connect the same wallet. Switch network to Robinhood chain testnet, then confirm the request. Then go to the testnet section. Then click on GM. Then confirm the request and done. You need to perform this task daily. Since this is GM, you must visit daily, confirm the transaction, and your activity will keep getting recorded. After that, another website link will be available on our Telegram, which leads to NFTs to me. Here you need to deploy NFT. First, connect your wallet again using the same wallet. Click connect. Then sign the message and confirm the transaction request that appears. After that, enter a project name, token symbol, project description and image. Now, so I already fill up this next. Then click on deploy to Ethereum and after a few minutes your project will deploy. Then next you need to come to this site where you need to register a HOOD domain. So here first you need to connect your wallet address again. Then here in the search options, choose any domain name. Then you need to register a Hood domain. So click on register. Then confirm the request and done. For now, these are the tasks you need to complete. In the future, many more tasks related to Robinhood will come. If you want to stay high on the Robinhood leaderboard by completing all tasks, make sure to follow our Telegram channel because all future updates related to Robinhood will be posted there. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.